good avocado? I think you pulled it out of the fridge while I was putting away the groceries. Yeah?
They're being cut to your foot size. How would they know who they come?
Because we had the exact same. We're having chili on rice and salad for supper tonight.
Am I bigger yet? I asked Mom. Not yet, said Mom. The next day I went to Grandma and Grandpa's farm. What's the matter, little critter? said Grandpa.
Chili and rice. That's Levi's. I'm going to put it in the freezer for him so it can cool off.
Made us 3 separate.
Supper time!
Getting close to the terrible soon.
Hey, I'd stick my thumb.
Hello, it's supper time.
It says color the pictures in a row that end with the same sound.
It mixes subtraction, addition, subtraction.
Remember?
Okay, anyways, then try. The what of you guys?
Keep it on me.
I've never had a kid do that. There's a hole.
Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken.
Just cleaning up our van, old Stinky. So she's still running, but we're having problems. So it's just not the priority right now.
Stickers! Yay!
From Chick-fil-A. Skiing off the mountain. I'm skiing off the mountain.
Yeah, there goes one ski, and there goes the other.
Oh,
But he's able
He
to
just
stick the
skied
landing.
off the mountain.
whoa, wait.
Yeah.
Is that a Slurpee?
What is
Something's
that?
terribly wrong with the chocolate fountain. It wants to be a chocolate fountain, but it's not.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh boy.
I don't know.
Wait. What just happened?
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
What?
Oh my
She did the
gosh.
DQ.
She's trying to do the blizzard melt. I saw it on her lap.
Oh no.
Whoops. Oh boy. For a minute there, I thought we were playing the who's on first and who's on second game.
There's Adri organizing the top of the fridge again. She just can't stop herself. I don't know.
Every time I clean up this fridge, I find a new knife that isn't ours. That is my hairbrush, Levi.
Okie dokie, here's old Stinky. she's still running. She's got problems. Anyways, we're gonna take half a seat from the back row of our new van and just throw it in that van for storage. Clean up a bit, and then just park it. We got to do some work on it. There's water in the oil. So I've done a few oil changes to push all that water, and then the seals need to be done. Maybe we can keep driving it, but it'll just be a little backup van to go around and run to town, back, you know, little trips. Nice thing about these Chevy Expresses, the back row is actually split. So you can take half of it out, which is cool. Oh, there's a key in the ignition. Hurry! The seatbelt just needs to be released. Boop. There we go. That's new, eh, Toby? That wasn't on our 2010. Got wheels in the front. Gonna slide on out. Now we have more space for groceries because we don't actually need 15. We only have 8 kids. Now we have more room for groceries than a stroller. Store it in this van for a little while while we go to Texas. We're heading to Texas, taking an RV training course. So next week I'll be learning about solar panels and how to install them and doing repairs. And then 5 weeks of RV tech training. So I'm gonna be a certified RV tech. So I'm really excited. Fits our lifestyle, so we can travel and do RV repairs as we go. So I'm really super excited for that.
That's Levi's way of riding a scooter. There you go. Oh, oh, oh! You're actually gonna do it? Let's go. There we go. Whee! Whee! You're doing it! Are you doing it by yourself? Oh no, you're just pushing it. Okay. That's his way of riding a scooter. That's not how it works. Is that what you're thinking? That's not how it works. I'm supposed to be moving. Oh.
So I'm recording with our iPhone right now, an old iPhone, and it doesn't work in selfie mode because you can't hear me talking. So the only reason I hate it is because I can't see if I'm facing the camera at myself while I'm recording in not selfie mode because I had to hold it the other way around, and so I was like getting really frustrated. But it's evening and I went to hold the phone up and realized I can see the reflection in the window in front of me. So I can totally see that the camera's facing me, which I'm kind of excited about. So anyways, silliness aside, I'm making supper. I wanted an easy supper tonight. I wasn't sure what to do. We had some leftover chili from the other night, but we already ate leftovers of it last night and didn't want to have chili again for a third night in a row. So instead, I am chopping a bunch of veggies, and we're gonna use the chili as the topping on our taco salads tonight. So it gives us some variety while still using up leftovers so we don't waste anything, and add some more veggies to our supper as well. So that's what I'm doing tonight.
Doesn't watching that Levi.
Can I have one?
Yep, I'll check. Go get your jammies on your toothbrush.
Love you very much.
We don't have time for that. Okay. Can you see the what?
candles. All the way back there.
You like mixing guacamole? You're doing a very good job. Every member of our family has their own design on their plate and their bowl and their little plate, so that I know exactly who hasn't finished their food, who left food on their plate, and who didn't wash their dish. We don't always have each kid wash their own dish, but we go through phases of time. Michael likes to do a lot of the dishes if he's around, but if he's out doing other things often, then kids are responsible to wash their own dishes. So that's how we do it. You want spinach?
Why not the big one?
Do you want peppers?
Yeah.
Cucumbers?
Yeah.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Do you want guacamole? Do you want sour cream?
So clean. Yeah. Should you film me eat them?
Yeah, I can do that. You want some too, Levi? You gotta stir the sour cream in. You can't just eat the sour cream by itself. Are you gonna stir it in? Do you need help? Okay, left hand is gonna be awkward.
That's fast.
It's got a lot of guac. I think this is mostly guacamole. Ew. That's gross.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Oh, is it good?
That was a big bite.
That was not a big bite. But is it yummy? Alright, I'm gonna get everyone else's food now.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Okay, peppers?
Yes.
Cilantro?
Yes.
No?
Catering to bus people, the bus updates are gonna get more. If you're catering to general people,
Yeah.
the cows are gonna get
No.
more.
Or
One tiny. Can I see? Okay.
but we could put that cow one on our Insta and Facebook.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Cheese?
Yeah, lots of cheese. Pile.
Sour cream?
Yes. And yes. Nothing else after that.
Lost a tooth. How did you lose your tooth?
I was eating it on their side and it crunched and then it ran out of my gum.
So you bit your tooth? You chewed your tooth?
Well, I bit it and then it came.
Well, the good thing is you didn't eat it.
Yeah, good thing you didn't swallow it. Let's see, where's the hole in your mouth? There it is. You gotta see you stir it up and take a bite.
Okay, this is really, really good. I don't know why in my head, chili doesn't seem like something you put on a taco salad. I guess it's not that weird. I mean, Wendy's does that, so it's not like super out there. But it's added a really nice element to the salad. It's really, really good. We should do this more often.